Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Hex Token channel. Here we are, folks, in the hex.com. Let's go. And of course, here we are, day number 843, 24th of March 2022. We've got the price up a massive 12.7%. And of course, we're up at 13.6 cents. Very, very cool. As you guys know, I wanted us to get over 12.5 cents to get that confirm in after all the rest of the days we've had. And we got there. So very, very cool. Return on investment multiplier for all-time low, the 5th of January 2020, is 2,410x. That does exclude staking as well, which is an addition. Let's have a look at the TShare magic here for Hex. Payout of Hex per TShare is 5.956. So another good day in the office there. TShare price 2,877. As I said down here, when it's around about early 2000s, 2,500, good time to pick up TShares because it's only going to get more expensive as the Hex price recovers. And of course, here we are already closing in on 3,000. TShare rate up 7.9 up to 21,148. In other words, it's better to stake today than it is tomorrow because this TShare is always going up. The only way you can offset this to some degree is longer pays better. We're up 20% more shares per year, up to 10 years or 3,641 days approximately. So cool. Average stake length 6.36 years, just down slightly from yesterday. Annual percentage year rate inflation and early in-stake penalties is 37.62%. The liquidity in the pool down dramatically, down to 146 million X. This makes it very easy to push the price up. We can see back on day 834, liquidity was pulled out on a day 835 massively, about a third, making it very easy for the price to go up or down. And now we're down to 146 million. So you can see how easy the price can move up from here. Liquidity in the pool has gone up dramatically for US dollars, 20.5 million and 2,175 Ethereum, looking very good for the fundamentals there. Total value locked 8.42 billion and market cap 78.53 billion, up dramatic from yesterday. And of course, the TShare market cap is at 30.8 billion. TShares are up 2,458, and we're over 10.7 million. Let's have a look at the volumes. Of course, the minted inflation very low, 6 million. We're sitting over 639 billion. Circulating supply down 71.8. That's very positive. And of course, we're up, down to 577.25 billion there. The staked amount, of course, let's have a look at that. That has correspondingly gone up. So look good to see that Hex staked, restaked there. 77.9 million Hex. And we're sitting just under 61.9 billion Hex staked. Very, very cool. All right, so good accounting up slightly. Total percentage of coins staked is 9.68%, up slightly from yesterday. Very cool with those big stakes over here. The payout to Hex stake is 63.8 million Hex. Of course, that's deferred inflation. Penalties are low day today, 250,000. And let's have a look at the holder numbers, up 369 to 438,295. Stake is up 148 to 88,847. And total stake is 162 up to 111,376. And finally, current holders up 274 to 287,304. That's the results for day 843, folks. Very, very good day in the office for all round, really, all round. Let's get to the Hex price, which has been the exciting part here. Look at this. 2 days of big green candles here. 3 green candles in a row, looking really good. And of course, man, oh man, this is starting to look a little bit like this, isn't it? Starting to look a little bit like this with the old patterns here. So let's see how that plays out. Obviously, we are broken out of this resistance down here, short-term resistance, but we've got the big triangle we've got to break out of. And of course, we kind of got to hit out of about 19 cents somewhere or higher to break out of this resistance here. And then it's away, away, away. Now, we know that we can make a much steeper slope. Just like back here, we can have a much steeper slope. So let's see what happens there. Certainly got the liquidity to do that. So it's going to be fascinating to watch that. Very, very exciting. Obviously, the Pulse chain sacrifice balances came out through Richard Hart on Twitter. I've posted those, and that certainly helped move the rally. 13.56 cents. The high so far today is 14 cents. Woohoo! Once again, we really want to get over 14.5 cents to move above this line, and away to the roses after that. Then we can get to start attacking that 17 cent mark. 19 cents is really what we want to crush to move out. So look forward to that. Don't forget to catch me later in the live stream. I'm going to do a full price review. Hedron is pulled down, of course, and I did expect that with the once Hex started moving up. Hedron is down at 2,470 at the moment, and after a bit of a pullback there. Okay, let's jump over to the markets. Looking very nice. Look at Bitcoin, almost up 44, starting to rally, folks, and moving higher. That's very, very cool. ETH will follow after Bitcoin has its move. Nice. All right, so the TShare price at the moment, 2,894, heading towards 3,000. Obviously, good time to DCA still, but it is starting to rise. And of course, adoption is up and to the right. The TShare rate is up and to the right. Payouts are spectacular, typically a 6 or over. And of course, the next 15 year stakes for everybody. We're going to zoom in on the next 11 months. And of course, we have got the stakes coming out. We've got 64,000 TShares coming out before the end of March. And then before the end of April, we have 327,000. So currently 18th of April is my current expectation for launch of Pulse Chain, give or take. So let's see how we go with that estimation, given all the information at hand. But we've got not a lot of stakes there at the moment. We expect these stuff here to break up and restake. It's going to be fascinating. Very, very cool. Hope you enjoyed this one. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell. Catch me in the live stream later on today. It's going to be a really doozy, around a $1 trillion volume trade on PulseX, $700 million in buy and burn potential up to. That is very, very cool. Catch me then. Bye.